When searching Google, you've probably noticed something somewhat new that's been around for a couple of years now, known as personalized search. Um, it's somewhat random. Sometimes personalized search will be off when you conduct a search. Sometimes it will be on. In this case, we've done a search for PBBG, and the site that I'm looking for is this one right here, pbbg.wikidot.com, which is appearing in the 5th position. This is natural organic rank, and personalized search is off. If I repeat this search, now suddenly personalized search is on. How does Google determine when to turn it off and turn it on? I don't know. It seems to be somewhat random. Now if we look for the same site, we'll see that it is appearing much higher than before. Well, not much higher, but a little bit higher. Now it's position 3. But that is not the natural organic rank for this site. This is the customized rank for the site simply because I visit it often. What I want to do is I want to disable this entirely. Now there is an option over here to turn it off, and this adds a string to the search query. If you look up here, you notice there's some information. I believe this means English. Safe mode is off. The query is PBBG, and there's some other stuff here. I'm not sure what it stands for. Note that the string ends right between these last two bookmarks here. If I turn off personalized search, first thing you'll notice is that the site mentioned previously is now ranking correctly, and if we go up here, we see that this additional string has been added, and PWS equals 0, meaning turn off personalized search. The idea here is to always make it so that this string is included so that we don't have to constantly be going over here every time we do a new search and again turning it off, which is a bit annoying. So this will help you if you're tired of seeing the same sites pop up high up on the first page of Google, and it will also help you a lot when you're doing SEO. So this concept will work with pretty much any browser that allows you to customize the way you search using that browser. Now, in Google Chrome, which is the browser I'm using now, the address bar is also a search bar. So I can type in PBBG and then just do a search, and then it will automatically search Google using that phrase. And notice here, personalized search is once again turned on. So what we're going to do is we're going to customize Chrome so that it will no longer turn on personalized search. First step we need to do is click the wrench on your Google Chrome, then click on Options. This will open up a new tab. Down near the bottom here, you'll see Search, and currently Google is selected. There's some other optional browsers that we can select. We're going to keep it on Google, and then we're going to click Manage Search Engines. Here you'll see those same options that popped up before, and then some other search engines. What we're going to do is we're going to make a copy of this, only we're going to customize it so that the string will include the and PWS equals 0. So the first thing we need to do is copy this existing string. So click here, and this will basically open this up into edit mode. Now we need to select everything in here. You can drag your mouse if you want. That'll take you a while, or you can just do a triple click, which will automatically select everything in there, and then you can copy it this way or by pressing Control C. Now we're going to go down here and we're going to create a new entry or a new search engine option. The first thing we'll do is click here and then type in google.com, tab over, and then we're going to name it. We'll call it Google, and then I'll put in here PWS equals 0. That way I know that this is the personalized search off version. Hit tab again, and then press Control V in order to paste in the string you copied in from up here. And then at the end here we're going to add and or ampersand PWS equals 0. Then hit enter. And it didn't work. I don't know why that did that. Let's try this again. Google.com, Google, PWS equals 0, paste, and PWS equals 0. Enter. There we go. Now it's created a new search engine that is identical to this one with the exception of the addition of the MPWS equals 0 to the end. Now just mouse over it, click Make Default. It'll bump it up here, and that is now our default search engine. You can now close this, return here, do a search for PBBG, and after we did the search, notice that it added automatically and PWS equals 0, and over here it says personalized search is off, and we see that the site is ranking correctly. You have to make special note here that this search box is different than this search box. This is utilizing Google.com website directly. This is passing a string from Chrome to Google.com. So therefore, if you don't want your personalized search to be on, you have to search in your address bar up here. So whatever you search for, PBBG, automatically get passes on down to here, personalized search. But if I search here within Google itself, you notice it's back on again, and then you have to do that annoying thing, come over here and turn it off. So this is good and bad. Just remember to do your search up here in the address bar, and then you won't have to constantly be turning off personalized search. But at the same time, if you want to enable it, then you can just search within the actual box that appears on the google.com website. So personalized search off, personalized search on. If you're using Firefox or Safari, just go into your options and play around with your search engine customization, and I'm sure you'll be able to find a way to add the and PWS equals 0 to those search engines or to those browsers as well.